Hey thinkers, welcome back to Little Thinkers. Join us as we dive into a series of brain-teasing math problems designed to keep you engaged and excited. What is 16 divided by 4? 4. Solve 25 divided by 5. 5. How much is 36 divided by 6? 6. Calculate 49 divided by 7. 7. What's 64 divided by 8? 8. Determine 81 divided by 9. 9. Calculate 100 divided by 10. 10. Solve 121 divided by 11. 11. How much is 144 divided by 12? 12. Calculate 169 divided by 13. 13. What is 196 divided by 14? 14. Determine 225 divided by 15. 15. Calculate 256 divided by 16. 16. Solve 289 divided by 17. 17. How much is 324 divided by 18? 18. Calculate 361 divided by 19. 19. What's 400 divided by 20? 20. Determine 441 divided by 21. 21. Calculate 484 divided by 22. 22. Solve 529 divided by 23. Type your answer in comments. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quizzes.